It sounds like it's a fucking bird. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh shit, how the hell did that get in there? Alright guys, I am going in hot. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. And Ethan, I'm sorry I'm using your helmets. I don't want to get hit in the eyeball by a bird beak. Let's do this. Where are you? Birdie, birdie, birdie. Jeep, jeep. Oh shit. I am. Oh fuck, it's right there. Oh. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay. This is where that bird was. In that vent. Where the fuck did he go? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, I better leave the... I gotta leave the visor down. It gets so hot. Oh. Oh my god. Ow. God damn it. Hope I didn't fucking scratch it. Oh my god. Birdie, where are you? I hate these birds. They freaking... They get into your vehicle and make fucking nests. I don't even know what they're called. Like starlings or some shit like that? I don't know. They're a fucking nuisance. Because if you don't constantly check in your vehicle, then it ends up being pretty shitty. Simply because you'll burn your fucking vehicle down. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know where he is. It's freaking me out. I hope I didn't lock him in that other room. I didn't think he would go in there. But, shit, maybe I better leave it open. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shut the lights off. So maybe he sees this way as the only way out. God. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh shit. Oh my God. Fucking bird.